Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that I recently purchased that's new to this channel, but I made my first purchase to Mooncat. So if you would like to see what all I got, then just keep on watching. So guys, this is going to be a quick video because I didn't get a whole bunch of them, but I did get a few shades. Being spooky season and all, I was on Instagram and I ran across this gorgeous young lady, and she had on the Mooncat polish. She had on a Mooncat polish, and I was just like, what? So, oh yeah, you might be able to see them now. Yeah. So, I went and looked on the website, and, I was just like in love, okay? And they had the Hocus Pocus one, and I didn't like all of the shades. So I bought one Hocus Pocus shade, and then I bought this shade, which I'm just obsessed. So if I hold my hand still right there, I'm going to dim this some more so you can see exactly the colors. So we have a brown, we have a burgundy. Right here you can see like a emerald green. This one this one right here, when I bring it to my face like this, it's green. It just depends on what lighting you're in as to what color shows up, but oh, there you can see the green there. They are so pretty, so pretty. So let me turn the light back up. I got that shade, and it is called Illusionist. Yeah. And then let me show it to you. It's because you get the illusion of several different colors. So, and you can see it right there. Do you see all those different colors in there? You can see the green. You can see the brown. The burgundy. It just, all fall. It screams fall, fall, fall. But the packaging is like this. And it also turns, if you lay your finger down on this magnet and do a couple coats over this, and then hold it over this while it dries, it will give you, I can see it out in the sun, it'll give you like it looks like a orbit, like right along here. I can't, like I said, I can see it out in the sun, and in here sometimes too, but I can't see it right here, right now on camera. But God, is that not gorgeous? Or you can take this side and you can go all the way around to make it, well, it would be more like that one. I'm not flipping you off. So you can see a lot of pearl in that one. I see purple. I see all kinds of colors in that one. I don't know. But I love this. Let me put this back. Box. And the box looks like this. It's got the Mooncat on it. And then the next shade I got is Blood Moon. So this is Blood Moon. This comes out a little bit more purple. Uh-oh. This comes out a little bit more purple, but look at the coloring in that. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. When I get tired of this one, I will repaint them to that color. And then I got this color. This is called Fake Halo. These are very, very like glittery. I would think you would say glittery. But this shade is so pretty. I mean, look at all the colors in that you can see in that. I see a blue, like a peach, a bronze, just, they're unbelievable. I can't believe I had never heard of Mooncat before. But now that I have, you better believe I'll be going back and shopping some more. And then I got the Hocus Pocus and Reclaim the Flame. And my granddaughter, she stayed all night the other night, so we did our nails and everything, and facials and things like that. My youngest, this is the one she wanted. I mean, look how freaking gorgeous. But her little fingers are so small, you can barely see the polish. But aren't those just stunning? And I thought, with it being Halloween, I'm just gonna get a few shades. And I did buy a couple that were on sale. But I'm very happy with my purchase from Mooncat. And believe me, I will be going back and I will be buying more colors. These are gorgeous. You can use several different colors to create your own color. I was watching online. So let me know, have you ever heard of Mooncat before? And if so, what is one of your favorite colors? What is one of your favorite, what do you call it? Like Fake Halo, or the changing, like, that is so sickening that you can see the dark green, you can see the brown, and like burgundy. I mean, that looks like 3 colors right there. But I see different colors all the time, in different light. Looking this way, I see green. Of course, you can't because of the lights. but I love the nail polish. And it seems really, really good. So anyway, let me know if you ever heard of them, what's your favorite color if you have bought from them. And if you have not, will you go check them out now? Let me know down in the comment. Guys, I'm going to go. I hope you liked this new unboxing to my channel. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up because it helps me. And make sure you comment on this video. And if you have not subscribed and you like makeup and beauty, everything makeup and beauty, then please subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.